Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for RV and camper enthusiasts. The Camco TST Max Camper RV Toilet Treatment Drop-ins. If you're on the road or camping, dealing with waste management is crucial, and this product promises to make that task a breeze. Let's start with what these drop-ins are all about. Designed specifically for RVs and campers, the Camco TST Max drop-ins are advanced toilet treatment chemicals aimed at controlling odors and breaking down waste effectively. They come in a convenient pack of 30 with a refreshing orange scent. One of the standout features is their reactive odor eliminating technology, which ensures your RV stays odor-free for up to 7 days with just one drop-in. These drop-ins are not just about odor control. They excel in breaking down waste and toilet paper, which is essential for maintaining a clean and functional black water tank. It's reassuring to know that these drop-ins are safe for septic systems, making them environmentally friendly and easy to use wherever your travels take you. As RVers ourselves, we know the importance of reliable products on the road. Camco has a reputation for quality, and their TST Max drop-ins are no exception. Trusted by thousands of RVers and boaters, they're proudly made in the USA. Using these drop-ins is simple. Just drop one into your RV toilet to treat up to a 40-gallon tank. The result? A cleaner, fresher-smelling bathroom experience wherever you roam. To wrap up, if you're looking for the best toilet chemicals for your RV or camper, look no further than the Camco TST Max Camper RV Toilet Treatment Drop-ins. With their unbeatable odor control, effective waste breakdown, and septic-safe formula, they're a staple in any RV arsenal. Have you tried the Camco TST Max drop-ins? Share your experience in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product critiques and RV tips. Until next time, happy travels!